March 31st. Now we're gonna go for a walk in the woods with Saffron and Sophie! What you doing, Saffron? You gonna go for a walk? Are we waiting for Cash? Where's Cash? You see him? Where is he? Sophie, where's Cash? Is he coming? What do you say, Saffron? Go find Cash. Where did he go? Huh? What do you say? Where is he? Where's Cash? Very pretty.